Hey G-Squad, welcome back to another episode of Is It Worth It? Today's episode we got this cool underdog here, and basically what this is a magnetic wireless charger that basically works as a power bank as well. Let me see, for the one that we got right here is from this brand. And for the one that we got right here, they do mention how the max that's on here is 20 watts if you guys do the wired option. And right here in the bottom, you see they do mention how it does have 6000 mAh, which is basically enough for you to fully charge your iPhone from 0 to 100. And then see for the slot right here, they do probably have some specs and features on here as well. But first I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the inside looks like. So first thing inside right here, you see they do provide guys a user manual to teach you guys how to set it up and how to use it. And they also provide guys a warranty card as well. And right here inside, you see we do have the actual product, and they also provide guys the charging cable as well. But let's take it out. So the charging cable inside is basically a USB-C to USB-C cable. So you can definitely use that to recharge the product, or you can use it to actually charge a different device. And then right here, you see we do have the actual product. And you see they do mention how it does have 20 watts. But this part right here is basically the back. If you guys run to the other side, right here is the front. So this side is basically where you can do the magsafe wireless charging option. And they do give you guys this warning label right here in terms of how to use it. And then right here is basically what the bottom part looks like. So they basically have a button for you to turn it on and turn it off. And right here we do have the slot for you to use as an input or output, which is basically USB-C. And right here you see we do have the in here light to show you guys the battery percentage and also show you guys when it's on or off. And then right here on this side, you see they do provide guys specs and features on the product. And you see the size of the product is pretty thin or very slim. So that way actually makes it a lot easier for you to carry around if you guys need to bring it when you guys are traveling or something. So you see when you guys do put it in your hand right here, it's actually very small. It's way smaller than your iPhone. And for this product, it does have the protection built in, like the overcharge protection, over voltage protection, and the list goes on. And then right here on the side, you see we do have the brand logo. And that is basically everything that's on the product. Before she tests this out, let me actually plug in cable to show you guys how to charge it first. So basically I'm plugging your USB-C cable right here in the bottom. So once you guys do plug it in, and you see right here, it does show you guys the indicator light to show you guys that it's charging. So obviously for the product, you do want to fully charge it before you guys do use it. But now let's test it out to see when actually it works while the product is charging. So right here we do have my phone. If you guys do stick it on, if you see it does not work when you guys do have the cable plugged in, but if you guys do unplug the cable, if you guys press on the bottom button to turn it on, if you guys try again, and you see it does work. So I guess for the product, when you guys do use it, it only works when you guys do unplug the cable. But when you guys do have the cable plugged in, it will not work. If you guys notice when we do use it, it does give you guys a MagSafe charging logo. So that way you know that it will get a faster wireless charging speed compared to your regular wireless charger. But now let's try the USB-C option to see when it actually works at the same time. But this time we're going to use it as output. So let's do plug it in. The other one we're going to plug it onto our phone. So you see when you guys do plug it in, it does work. So right now my battery is completely dead. But you see the product definitely does work when you guys do use it. I do want to mention when you guys do this cable option, it will charge much faster than the wireless charging option. So the max power on here is 20 watts when you guys do the cable option. And also when you guys do the cable option while using the MagSafe charger option, it will slow down the charge. So I won't get like the same charging speed on here if you guys do the charging option at the same time. And obviously in order for you to get the fastest charging speed on here, your percentage on your device need to be pretty low. Basically the lower is the faster it can charge. But once it reaches like 80% or anything higher than that, it does slow down the charge. But the product definitely does work when you guys do charge two devices at the same time, just not when it's using input at the same time. And then you see for the magnet that's on here is pretty strong. So that way the product is actually very secure when you guys do use it. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and test the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's worth it or not. So for this product, I do have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want to need one of these. Especially if you guys are in the market looking for a high quality magnetic wireless charger that also works as a power bank that give you guys the USB-C option, then I do have to say that it is pretty worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.